Hello everybody! In this video we are going to looking at the conditional formatting, and conditional formatting helps you visually explore and analyze data, detect critical issues and identify the patterns and trends in the data set, guys. So this is, for example, this is a data set we'll be using today. So as you can see, I have applied several features of the conditional formatting, and this will be the final outcome of this video. We are going to apply several features of the conditional formatting. For example, we will be looking at the greater than. We are going to go and apply the top and bottom rules. Basically, when we apply it, it highlights the top and bottom items. So, and then guys, we are going to develop a data bars. Basically, it is about inserting a bar inside the cells. Basically, they are representing the value inside the cell. And then we are going to insert another data bar, and then we are going to apply the color scales rules of the conditional formatting. Basically, this is putting the values in the range of the colors, right? And then we are going to learn about the icon sets, and then we'll be learning about the formulas, and at the end, guys, we'll be inserting some spark lines. So let's go and do this one, guys. This will be the final outcome of this video. Okay, let's go and do this. And this is a data set that we'll be using for this exercise. So as you can see, we have the months and region, and we have the total sales made in 2013, 2014, 2015, and up to 2019. So this is the data set we'll be using today. And this data set is available, guys. You can access it just below of this video. You can access it from there. So let's go and start this with greater than. So we'll be applying greater than. Basically, guys, first of all, we are going to select the data set, and then we'll be going to conditional formatting feature. So we can access conditional formatting feature by going to do home on the ribbon, and then go to conditional formatting here, right? You'll be see it here. And let's go and select this one. And as you can see, we have several options available for us for the highlight cells rules. And then we have top bottom rules, we have data bars, we have color scales, icon sets, and also we can insert other rules as well. So guys, let's start with greater than. In this case, we are going to apply greater than. Let's go and select this one. Basically, guys, we are going to highlight the values which are above or equal to certain values. So, cell value, if this is greater than, let's call this 1 million. Okay. So, as you can see, we have several options available here. You can select between, not equal to, less than. So, in this case, guys, we are going to apply the greater than, but based on your aim, you can go and select any of them. Okay, I will pick the greater than. And then, guys, if the cell greater than 1 million, I would like to format that cell by using the colors, right? I will be selecting green one. Okay, green fill color with dark green text. So if the cell value is greater than 1 million, it will the cell will be formatted like this. Let's go and say OK. So guys, basically it highlighted the values when the number is greater than 1 million, right? This is how we do it, guys. And then, guys, another feature of the conditional formatting is the top and bottom. So we can find the top and bottom values. So, and to apply it here to this column, let's go and select it. Select the data range that you want to apply the rule, then go to conditional formatting and go and select top items. Let's go and find top items. So guys, in this window, as you can see, we have a top. However, we have 10 here. We would like to see let's go and find the top 3 items. Let's go and change this to 3. So I am going to formatting color as green fill. I will pick this one. So it will be highlighting it like this, and then I will say OK. So guys, as you can see in this column, it highlighted all the values which are the top, right? Top 3 values. So we can apply another feature on the same column as well. So if you go and select dataset again, and then go to conditional formatting, let's go and find the bottom values in this case. Let's go and select bottom values, okay? So in this case, let's go and find bottom 3, okay? The list amounts, list bottom 3 amounts, and let's go and fill them with light red fill. Okay, this is fine. Let's fill it with the light red, and then we'll say okay. So guys, as you can see, by using the features of the conditional formatting, I can easily identify the top values and also bottom values in the data set, right? So this is a way to highlight them. And guys, we have a data bus, and we can insert a bar inside the cells to represent the values in the cell. Okay, let's go, and to apply it, we need to go and select the data set. This is the first thing, and then go to conditional formatting. It's under the home tab. Go to conditional formatting, and then in this case we'll be looking at data bus. And as you can see, we have gradient fill colors, and also we have solid fill colors, and I will be picking the first one, which is blue data bar. So guys, basically I have inserted bar inside the cells, and as you can see, I can easily identify the maximum amount. As you can see, this is my maximum value, and also we see that this is the minimum amount in this column. So basically it shows it when you have a negative numbers, it shows it on the left side with a red bar color. And then guys, let's go and insert another data bus. Let's go and select this data range again. Same steps, right? Select the data range, go to conditional formatting, and then go and select data bars. In this case, guys, let's go and pick one of the solid color. I will select yellow one, orange data bar. As you can see, I can easily detect the largest amount in this column. Also, I can easily detect the lowest, even the negative numbers in this data set, right? They are shown on the left side. So basically, this is how we can insert a bars inside the cell to represent the numbers. Another feature of conditional formatting is the color scales, guys. Basically, you put the numbers in the scale of the colors. So let's go and apply it for this column. Select the data, and then go to conditional formatting, and then go to color scales. Okay, as you can see, you can put the numbers into three color scales, or also we have some 2 color scales, and I will go and select the green yellow color scales. So I will put my numbers in the range of 2 colors between green and yellow. So basically my largest amounts, my highest amounts will be highlighted with dark blue. So when it is getting darker, the number will be decreasing, as you can see, and the lightest color represents the smallest amount in this column. So this is basically putting the numbers in the range of the colors, and you can specify the colors. This is called color scales. And also guys, we have icon sets as well in this column. Let's go and apply the icon set for this column. And to do that, guys, we are going to select dataset again, and then go to conditional formatting, and then we are going to go and select datasets, icon sets. As you can see, we have several icons here. Depending on your aim, you can select the specific one. We have directional icons, we have some shapes, we have some indicators, and also we have some ratings. Let's go and insert ratings for this case. I think it is best to use in this case, guys. I will be picking this one. In this one, guys, as you can see, my largest number is shown as with a fillet stars, right? And this is also another large number, another one, this is another one, and also you can see that this is my smallest number in this column, right? Basically it puts the numbers in the range of the empty stars and fillet stars, right? This is how we can use the icon sets and apply it. So guys, another way to use the conditional formatting is the use of the formulas. So we can specify, we can create our own rules and apply it, okay? And to do that, guys, let's go and pick one of the cells in this column, because I would like to apply the formulas, conditional formatting, to this column. So I go and pick one of the first row in this column. And then I go to conditional formatting, and then I will be going to manage rules. So as you can see, nothing is here. So I will go and insert a rule. I will insert a new rule. In this window, guys, I will select the classic, and from this menu I will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. So guys, I am using Mac. This part of this feature might be slightly different in the Windows. So if it's different, guys, just go and Google it. So, but it might be slightly different, but the mentality is same, right? You'll use the same logic. You will say that use a formula to determine which cells to format, okay? And then guys, we are going to write our formula here. This is the place to write our formula. In this case, guys, I will write my formula. I will say that equal, and then I go and I will be defining this one. It is J3 equal J3 greater than, let's say, 1 million. I would like to highlight the values if they are above 1 million. Okay, then let's go and pick some colors from here. I will select the green one again. Okay, I will be selecting the green one. So basically, guys, if the value is greater than 1 million, the fill color will be the green. Okay, let's say okay. Basically, guys, this is the formula that I have created. I would like to apply it. However, we need to go and select the data range, right? I will delete this one, and then I go and select my data range from here. Once you select it, it will be shown here, guys, and then we'll say okay. As you can see, it's highlighted the values where the amount is above the 1 million. So this is how we can use the formulas to highlight the certain cells. So you can create some complicated formulas as well. And another thing that I would like to do is that I would like to select them all, and in this data set, guys, I would like to highlight the top 10 amounts, okay? And to do that, I need to select all my data sets and then go to conditional formatting, and then I will be going to highlight cells rules, and I will select greater than. If the value is greater than 115 million, I will be highlighting them. And as you can use some built-in formattings, also you can create your own custom formats. In this case, guys, I will create a custom format from here. Let's go and create some custom formats. So first of all, I would like to insert a outline. You can also pick some colors as well. So I will have some outline, and let's go and pick the fill color. For the fill color, I would like to pick the red one, or you can pick any of them. Let's go and select the blue one, okay? So for the borders, guys, I have selected outline, and for the fill color, I have selected this one. Also, you can specify font color as well. Let's make it bold. Also, you can have some underline as well. Let's look at the numbers. Okay. Those are the things that I will be applying in this case. Then I will say okay. So this is the preview of my format. If the value is above this number, guys, it will format the cells in this format. Okay, let's say okay. So basically, guys, this is the final outcome, right? As you can see, I can see the top, the values which are above the 115 million, right? So another thing I would like to show you about this one is that if you go to conditional formatting and then manage rules, and then go and make sure that this is not current selection, but this is selected with this worksheet. So in this window, guys, you will be able to see all the values, all the features that you have applied to this Excel worksheet, right? You can either delete one of those if you don't wanna have it, if you don't need in your Excel worksheet, guys, you can go and delete any of those one. Also, guys, you can change the order of it. If you have applied more than one rules to one cell, guys, you can prioritize one of them, right? By just, if you select this one, if you go and select the orders of it, you can send it to back side or you can put it to front sides. At the top one shown first, basically. So if you applied more than two rules into one cell, by playing around the orders of it, you can specify which one to be shown first. So this is also another issue, another topic that you need to learn about this. So you can manage and you can change the orders of the rules as well. So I'm not gonna make any change here. I will say okay. And the final thing, guys, I would like to show you here is the spark lines. Let's go and insert a spark line. So select the cell, select the first row in this column, and then go to insert on the ribbon, and you will see the spark lines here. So guys, we use the spark lines to show the trend in the data set. So once we create it, you will have better understanding of it. Let's go and select the line. And then we need to select a data range for this one. So I would like to see the trend in this row. And it will be inserting it in K3 because I have selected at the beginning. And then I will say okay. So this is my spark line, guys. Basically, this is a line that shows the trend in this column, right? And also you can play around the design of it. As you can see, we have several color options available for us. Let's go and pick the red one. And also you can change the weight of this line. Let me make it dark. Let me make it bold. And also you can highlight the high points, the first point, last point, and low points. So those are all the things that you can have in your spark line, guys. Basically, this shows the trend in this data set. By looking at this around the middle, which is around 2016, the values, the sales went down, right? This is the thing that we can see here. And to apply the spark line that we have created here to all other rows, basically we just select it and just scroll down till the end, and basically we'll be having the spark lines for all other cells. Basically, this is how we create a spark lines, trend lines for our data set, guys, right? They gives us information about the trend in the given data set. So another thing that you might be asking is that how we can use this one in the dashboard. So the answer of this question is in here, guys. So for example, this is one of the example dashboard. As you can see, this student inserted a data set here. Basically, he has some sellers and their sales activities in each month, right? August, September, October, and November. Those are the numbers. And this student applied some conditional formatting to this data set, and then he also created some spark lines here, right, to show the trend of those employees, those sellers. So this is how you can apply this and use it in your dashboard. You can have a table, and then you can apply some conditional formatting features in your table, and also you can show some trend lines as well. And also you can use some icon sets, bars as well. So those are all the things that you can do and show it in your dashboard. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.